Today we have a guest out of the Atlanta area who is, well, filmmaker, playwright, writer, producer, director, author. You do everything, apparently.
Whole lot of stuff.
So we have Deonte Bolton here with us. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. So I'm gonna start this off with, what don't you do?
I don't sing. I don't sing.
Gotcha. Me
but I bet that's on the list, right? For you, you probably got some lessons going on where you probably gonna start singing in one of your plays.
Maybe a note or two.
a good. Everybody needs a good hummer in the background.
That works. I could do that real well.
Hey, I'm right there with you. So, where did your love of the arts begin?
It was inspired by losing my brother. I lost my brother in 2006.
My condolences.
Thank you. And it was a coping mechanism for me. You know, I had got depressed. I had contemplated suicide. And, you know, it was the gift of writing that was suggested to me to really express myself. And writing notes to my brother and writing notes to myself turned into me creating these dynamic characters and writing something that can inspire other people. You know, when you see people are inspired by what you do, you start to realize that that's probably the calling and that's where you need to be. So that turned into writing plays and books and films and musicals and all that other stuff. You know, my brother is definitely a great inspiration, you know, just losing him. And just having him in my life, period, because he was part of the special needs community. So I just feel like writing is an outlet to express, you know, myself and to bring a positive message to the world. So
now you talked about writing has been a healing mechanism for you. If you could kind of elaborate for like others who kind of like they'll go through situations such as you, like how was writing healing for you?
Because you're able to hide behind characters sometimes, like even with playwriting, you know, putting yourself into the characters. It's like a mirror sometimes because you can only write what you know and what you've experienced. So sometimes instead of a person saying it out loud, they're able to put it on paper or write on a laptop and express themselves. And it happens, you know, you got people like Tyler Perry and other people who have expressed that as well. And, you know, you hide yourself inside the characters because sometimes we're not really at the place where we want to just come out about what bothered us or what was going on, but we were able to put it in characters and you're still able to go through the process, if that makes sense.
So is it, has writing been a way of almost like helping you almost understand yourself better or even help you as a communicator?
Yeah, writing has helped me to understand myself better, understand the different sides of Deonte, because a lot of times when people come to plays, it was like, well, where did you get that from? Because one character is just outrageous. And I'm like, well, that is a part of me, you know, that is a part of, you know, my other side, you know, when I get angry, or you start to see yourself in different characters and realize, oh, well, maybe I need to change just a little bit because I'm just like this character, you know, and seeing people's reactions. So, yeah, I think it really makes you look within.
Now, how old were you when you started writing?
I started writing around 16.
16. So you remember like that were you writing like just like maybe stories, or were you just like maybe books or like stage plays?
Well, my first big project was a stage play. Before then, I was writing a lot of letters to myself and I was journaling, just keeping up with my feelings and, you know, the process of going through healing. And then I started, you know, realizing I started thinking of characters and things like that. And I was like, it'd be nice to try this and see how it works. And that's when I ended up writing my first play, Looking for Love in All the Wrong Places. So I would say, yeah, 16, journaling, and then it went to the playwriting.